Kif matul il-ħamis u l-ġimgħa il-Mediterranean Leadership Summit laħaq il-qofol tiegħu f'pajjiżna, imprendituri ewlenin li tkellmu ma' One News esprimew sodisfazzjon għal dak li fi kliephom kien summit eċċellenti. Fosthom Mike Lord, kap tal-operat tar-Redmet Group, kumpanija ewlenija fis-settur tal-enerġija fil-Mediterran.
I think this sets the benchmark. I mean, Malta set the benchmark with no doubt. The contribution that's being made here can only lift. And I think this will be a repeat, and I'm sure more people want to attend.
Bħala waħda mill-fundaturi tal-Kunsill tan-Negozju bejn Malta u l-Alġerija, il-kumpanija Redmet fl-aħħar snin komplit tkabbar l-operat tagħha f'pajjiżna. Tkabbir sostnut fl-aħħar jiem, kif grazzi għall-Mediterranean Leadership Summit, il-kumpanija internazzjonali irnexxiela tiffirma kuntratt li se jwassal għall-ħolqien ta' aktar impjiegi.
We were looking for a Maltese partner. We found one in a day at this summit. So we'll increase some employment and take some more Maltese people to Algeria, which is becoming quite a home for the Maltese, to be honest. Obviously, our two governments spoke together and encouraged trade and investment. And we're seeing it already.
L-len mill-investiment, Mike Lord faħħar lill Prim Ministru Muscat għat-tmexxija għaqlija tiegħu, tmexxija li fi kliemu qed tgħaqqad in-nies fi klima li tkattar l-investiment u tixpruna x-xogħol.
I think the Prime Minister's speech yesterday was very good. And, he obviously has got a grip of what's going on in the Mediterranean. I think it's really important. And he's bringing people together, which I think is really important.
U wara 13-il sena f'pajjiżna, il-kap tal-operat tar-Redmet Group ma setax ma jinnutax it-tkabbir ekonomiku bla preċedent li rnexxielu jirreġistra l-gvern.
The growth of the economy is fantastic. I mean, you've got a nice little 6%. You don't get that in the bank. Ask Mr. HBCE, he won't give you 6%. And Malta does. So I think it's a great place.